Okay, more night training, soccer training, sponsored by Quincy. Thank you again, Quincy, for our heroes training. So we're doing it all. We're going to all the sessions this week, thanks to Quincy. So right now we're just warming up.
Wait, go. Here, again. Don't wait for him. Again, move. Quick foot, here. Good job. Faster. It's coming. Right, here. Good job. Last three. Incoming. Here, good. Very good. Last two. It's coming. Here, left. Excellent. Last one. Alex. Here, straight. Good job. Let's go, Inigo. Ready?
You won't notice this, but I don't know if you could see in the video, it's drizzling. It's not raining hard, but it's drizzling enough that I need to use the umbrella. But that's how dedicated we are to the sport. Learn the beautiful, or practice or train the beautiful game here. So if you could see in the light, that you could see there's some drizzling. But I'm here sitting down, and here I got my folding chair. I had to get the bag and get the umbrella out so it doesn't get wet. But I got a change of clothes for heroes, so it's okay if it gets wet out there. I always bring a change of clothes. The only thing I forgot to bring was, like I said, the shin guards. But next time I'll bring his shin guards, so just in case. I have his mouth guard. Shin guards is the problem. I should have one in the bag just in case, but it's been a while since they've actually done any one-on-one training that I forgot. I'll make sure to remember next time. Shin guards. Those are the expensive C6 Michael B carbon fiber graphite shin guards.
There's actual steam.
Yeah, there's like little steam droplets coming out of your shirt. You can barely see it, like steam. That's how hard Hero's working. He's got steam coming out of his body in this kind of. It's not cold. I guess by local standards it's cold, but it's not by Western standards. It's not even close. This is tank top weather based on Western standards. But local standards, people are wearing jackets here. Like, this is leather jacket weather. Okay, the rain is coming down a little bit harder now. I don't know if you can see it in this video. But you see it's kind of hazy. See if you can see it in the light. See some drizzling. So it's miserable but he's got his SG soft ground studs on his shoes, so he's prepared for it. It's just the shin guards that I forgot. What a horrible dad.
Very good. Approach Ari. One, two, turn. Look at play. One, good job. Excellent. Ready, play. Here. Walk on your path, Inigo. Walk on. Go, control, watch. Listen. Ayan. Go. Touch. Go. Very good. Check. Play. Inigo. Walk on right. Walk on that. Touch. Good job. Get it. No problem. Very good. Play. Too slow. One, two. Ready. Touch. Here. Touch. Play. Go. Play. Touch. Change. Inigo. Touch. Play. You will never get her. Never. Press. Hold on.
So the object is supposed to chase the person around while dribbling.
Look at, catch him! You're almost there! Okay, good job.
I caught him.
Vijay, Ariana. Go, 5 push-up, Jeff. Again, 5 push-up. Take it. Right. Catch it.
That's a workout.
If I catch you now, I will join. Very good. Chase, follow. Don't come back. Chase, more. Very good. Cut again. Follow. Hey. You have to be wise. Look at the angle. Where you will accelerate and where you will decrease. Move. I don't want any ball stopping. Okay, go. More speed. She cut again. You have to be fast. When you decide to attack. Don't slow down. Go.
I don't think Hero's gonna catch him. Hero's already winded.
Go. Okay, chase him. No, you cannot chase me. Coach is already. I tried already. Time to play football now. Go down. Inigo. Look at, back it. Chase him. This side, one side. Then don't drop. Attack. Follow, Logan. Follow. Change, Logan. Change direction. Change. Yes. You stop. Again. Follow. I don't want to see the ball come. You got him already. Okay. Next, play. Very good, Logan. Try to play it next time. Look at the play. Good job, Logan. Good job. Now, excellent.
Shooting drills.
Ariana, bring to the target and use the big toe of your leg. The big toe. Excellent. Place it away from me. If you put it here, that's the goalkeeper. Place it on the angle. One. Very good. Play. Move. Aguero, bring your right. Execute. Excellent. Play. One. Power. Yeah. 1, 2, 3. Here, touch. Good job. Back pedal. Incoming. Go. Excellent touch. Great touch, Logan. Great touch. Faster. Good one. Let's go. 1. Logan, go inside the ball. Middle.
Okay, they're doing their final stretch. It's 8:05. So we got started probably about 5:30 today. So 8 o'clock, 8:05, so about 2.5 hours. So it's good. Good exercise for a hero. So this is so much fun. We'll do it again this week. Thank you again, Quincy, for sponsoring this week's dang. Thank you again, Quincy, for sponsoring this week's practice. Time to go home. We're not gonna get Whopper this time because we have pizza at home. The boss got some SNR, went to SNR this morning, got some juice and milk. So she got some pizza also. We love SNR pizza. That's the best pizza ever here in the Philippines. SNR pizza or Costco pizza. Because over here, Costco is called SNR.